Jamal, remember now we are on Backyard TV. We only have one love alone.
Yeah, we have one love.
Yes, one love. Yes.
Yeah, be a thing I go in my backyard, you know. No man, it came off turn on for me to have 6. What you say? You don't think a man fi have one woman? Am I a player?
From creation, you know, no man have one woman.
I believe this one love thing is a real thing, you know.
We are busy, so the man fi have one empress.
Well, now that's a difference for us. You have to love one. You're going to like the rest. You're going to like some a lot, like some enough, like some easy, like some soft, like some hard. But you're going to love one.
You have one, Bridget?
Yeah, one we have.
On that Backyard TV, I want to play some hard, you know. You know, I'm going to do it now. I do it here, you know.
Well, alright, you know. Look like a blacky, you know.
And that's the account, you know.
Well, in...
Backyard, Domino drop hard, you know, so...
A tree loving Billy, a tree loving Billy.
The uncle go have one love. The uncle have one heart. And you must get together with that person and feel alright. You get the way I say? Me not gonna love no more. Me don't love and last long time, Jamal. What you talking about? Bob uncle have what? No,
Bob 14 love.
No man.
And Bob say one love.
I could love more than 14, you know. But I one love him have.
So Rita inspired this man to shot the sheriff.
But it's true. If she inspired him to shoot the sheriff, she inspired him to chase the crazy ballheads out of town. But when he was ready to love and turn the lights down low, he turned the lights down low with Cinder Break Spear.
A white girl.
So, but at the end of the day, the message, the main message was one love. It's a universal love. Yeah. You know what I mean? But man just love enough woman. Miss Bartender looks so sexy and scrumptious and beautiful. I just have to do something about it.
Yeah, boy.
While picking around in the basket, I lost the taste.
As long as he know and he doesn't violate and cross the line and bring the woman in the house and bed and all those different type of things, and then I think it'll be fine. The world.
He's gonna have him one love.
Yeah, he gonna have that. He gonna have that one girl. He's always gonna, no matter what or how that girl may touch him or how that girl may spend money, that one girl that has his heart always. He can't get her. He can't get her back. He can't get her.
I mean that right now. Let me try to tell you.
Another time.
I think you can love again. That's wrong.
Yeah,
I think
for me, still the only person I can love again is if that person that come back in my life. I just don't want to love nobody else.
No, but that person gonna move on.
Me no business.
You know, resemble life and I say, boy. You know, him want back that Empress. And you know, that Empress maybe not going to come back because I'm going to go there with the girl and then... Hold on, you pass again? Hold on now, hold on. Chop him man, because skinny are going too bad.
So you are going to Jamal, you are moving serious.
I mean, I tell them, you know, one love. Six love. So that mean no say 6 love, but you know them still say one love. When married, basically is a contract. When you married,
first we have to find out, Jamal, what is marriage to a person. Marriage, according to what the Bible says and the Most High say, is of the heart and the soul.
Yeah.
You see, it's really and truly straight up. You see, it not have nothing to do with no pastor and a whole heap of people. All love have nothing to do with the wedding, Jamal.
That's what love create the wedding.
Love create the wedding, yeah, I agree. But really and truly, you have enough wedding created, no love.
When you're married, if you come together as one.
Me not think so.
Love.
Me think you're supposed to come together as one first and then go the marriage after. Me too.
One love.
One love.
6 love you don't know though. What do you want?
Come like Jamal get too much past Jamal. Straight up, because Jamal can't see the eye them like that. You see, not read too good.
Game black.
Yeah, you know, sissy, how you black it?
Are you black it?
We can't make sense.
7, 6.
What, Jamal?
You win.
See that?
You win.
I'm saying in the Bible, say, sex after marriage, right?
That King James say.
That King James say.
Yeah, King James.
He say sex after marriage, then supposed to go so boom and after the big wedding and everything, I say, yeah man, sex now.
Well, that now
waiting. Yes.
Jamal, that now go me, you know.
No, hold on. No.
Drive the Range Rover.
You forget to find out now, because you go by the Bible.
Maybe not go happen to me, you know, because me have to test it first.
See there?
So you believe, no, but you're going against the Bible right now.
Skinny, shake me and skinny, shake me and.
That's the only way I'm going to sin, because it's hard.
Straight up.
You can't buy pussy in the bag, you know.
I need to know. That's the
So you don't want after the marriage and thing and the big honeymoon and him say, honey, you know that the sun can rise.
You have to know what you're getting yourself into before it's too late. Because I'm not gonna come here, or you come here right now, we start talking and everything. I'm not sure when the sun ready to rise, you can rise. You understand? So
hold on, bartender. Hold on, no. You try to tell Mr. Bartender from night me I talk to you. You don't know if my son can ride.
I only see the face and the hand.
Well, that is true.
I can't take a long wait, you know, because once you have life in you know, it's gonna move. Something gonna move on you.
You see, King James wake up early in the morning and him couldn't rise because him couldn't go on with that thing. So because him couldn't go on with that thing, him put in the Bible say, nobody else know if he go on with that thing.
Yeah, that's why they fall in love with other girls in the church, you know. The pastor them.
A real thing that no,
that's a real thing going on all over.
Thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, so man. They're not perfect, they're not righteous then if
short skirt Sharon. Short skirt Sharon always sketch them.
Backyard if you can manage it.
The pastor, you're falling no, you are Mexican now we know that. Every time we reach us, you know.
You see, you know, oh, you are my virgin and me.
Right, two for me, you know.
Yeah, that boy. Well, if a China dollar get it,
China dollar get 6 love.
Yeah,
think of 1 love.
Yeah. Me a ital Rasta man. And me no left my boat. Nowhere. Me no left it. You're mad. Me care about my health more than me care about anything else, Jamal. Because remember, you know, if me love the person where me there with, then me I gonna make sure that me care for them, don't it? Yeah. If he wants to move like an African and have more than one wives and concubines, he must do so in safety and precaution.
And when a man have a wife, a man walk barefoot.
You have enough women out there straight up where them are date 7 different men.
No, but I say, suppose the woman come to you and say, yo, she have 7 men, but you are the Aussie. Would you silly?
No, I would give thanks for that now, Jamar, because that now can make me eliminate myself. I say go backyard me there.
So
a woman should never, a woman are different from a man. A woman have to really respect herself, you know. So what the man do, a woman can never be done and still be a woman, you know.
No, she
can't. She can't have the one love.
She can't have the one. She have to just have one love for that man, and she can't just spread it all over.
Yeah.
To the yeah.
Notice what she said now, you know.
Yeah.
She said only one man to the.
The woman body is like the temple. We are the one who carry you and you.
And Christ.
And Christ. True. So for me, I believe in one love. I don't believe in running around. The only way I should move on, and if that love is out of my life, then I move on. Yeah. But I don't believe in Dick, Tom, and Harry.
She don't believe in
yes, Tom, Dick, and Harry.
But you know, it's a situation still, you know, because a lot of women out there feel like them can do the same and still be a woman.
And really and truly, Jamar, them a watch right now, because you don't know enough of them a watch right now, and them a say, rrr, rrr, rrr. So we have to say to them, Jamar.
I'm going to say to them now, do what you do, just make sure them have on condom, you see?
Gift them.
Yeah.
A pretty game. So
that one look like a skinny gear.
Skinny just a get the whole on a be a pass and all that. That way I deal with Jamar. I get so much pass.
You see the domino nails them?
Extra manicured, you know, to give 6 love.
Which one is it?
I don't know if I get 6 love.
It's like a domino alone and 6 love. We are saying a domino alone and 6 love, my brother.
First bad old never comes from backyard TV.
No, this is a bad one.
You can't cuss it.
Cuss it not, it's a bad one.
Me cuss if me win now.
It's a bad one. There are nothing if you say a bad one.
Yeah, you can say bad word.
You can't make up one bad one now.
Of course, then a bad one.
Rasta clot.
Knock me out of the game, you know, man.
A real thing, Jamar, you know you win, Jamar.
Out of the game.
You know you win, Jamar, and say you win. If you take out the dark as you win, Jamar. Tell me say you have the 6-5 round there, Jamar. You know you have the 6-5 in your hand, Jamar. You know you got it.
Oh, Jesus Christ,
And me I read up the game more than everybody.
Hold on, no, China not brought the game. Boom! Skinny! 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 If you're not playing,
Skinny not playing.
Rasta clot!
What do you mean?
After this,
That's what they say you win.
What do you mean?
You have the
hard double 5, you know, man.
You see, you take off the dark and win double 5. You see them now, you have to put it on back and lose. And you lose, you have to lose now, you know.
Yo, I Jamar the star. Yo, Backyard TV. And we them a pre. Yo, I'm out of here. 6.
So we say, and that's how we do all the while.
We 1 or 2 players is the best, you know.
Yeah, man.
1 or 2.
That's how me look back way. Wow.
Wicked.
Look how me look back way. Look how Jamar look wicked. Jamar look like one killer. Look at this girl take it off. Don't know what it's
Backyard TV. Everybody, the woman are privy. From you to them a see we. From Backyard TV.
Very cheap and affordable web design and hosting by MaxHost247.com. MaxHost247.com. Log on today and save big.